Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you an easy step-to-step process on how to buy Dogecoin on Coinbase. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. In order to create a Coinbase account for yourself, you'll need to download the Coinbase application and make sure that you've signed up for it. If you don't have a Coinbase account yet, you can create one by clicking the referral link in the description box below. This will be beneficial for our channel's growth while not costing you anything. Once you have a Coinbase account for yourself, tap open your Coinbase application and make sure that you are logged in first. You'll need to add a payment method in order to start trading on Coinbase. Tap on Add a Payment Method and use a bank account, debit card, or initiate a wire. Once you've done that, tap on the Trade button at the bottom of the screen. Now, in the search box that appears at the top of the screen, search for Dogecoin. Once you find Dogecoin displayed in the search result, give it a tap and you'll be able to see the Dogecoin price displayed at the very top of the screen. In order to buy Dogecoin, tap on the Trade button at the bottom. Now, tap on Buy Doge with cash. Now enter the amount of Dogecoin that you are trying to purchase. Make sure you add a payment method, and once you have a payment method, you can simply tap on Preview Buy button at the bottom of the screen, and that way you'll be able to buy Dogecoin on Coinbase. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.